All right, so we're going to work on law of cosines, law of cosines, cosine graph today. So just cosine of x, and we should probably do it's a function and equals. So I wanted to tie it in real quick to our unit circle. So on our unit circle, if we take a look at it, we know that this point right here is 1, 0. Up here we have 0, 1. Over here we have -1, 0. Down here we have 0, -1. And when we're looking at our unit circle like this, we know that cosine deals with our x's. So what we're dealing with is how far away on our x's we are at any one point. So we start off out here on a unit circle on our edge, and as we go around, we start out as far away as we can on our x's. So we actually start away on our cosine at our maximum. So it starts right here. Maybe I should go blue. So we have that guy. Now, as we go a quarter turn, we go to 0 if you look at our x. So a quarter way through, we're going to get to 0. Halfway through, we get to our minimum. And 3/4 of the way, we go through 0, and we return back to our maximum. So again, cosine deals with x's, right? So let's go ahead and graph this. So 2 pi, if you guys remember, right, is 1 full rotation around. So 1 full rotation. So we know that when we return all the way back, we're going to end up back to where we started, which is our maximum. We know halfway through, or 1/2 of a rotation, we are going to be at our minimum. So let's go ahead and mark our minimum down here. And we know halfway around is pi. And at our quarter turn, we're at 0, and a quarter would be, well, pi over 2. And then we also know down here we are at 0 again, and that's there. So what we end up with is this nice pretty graph that looks like this. And this is the law of cosine. So what we want to remember here is we start at our maximum. So this is our max, this is our minimum, and this is our max. When we start doing shifts up and down, you should probably also remember our middle, kind of like our sine curve. Our middle is here. It runs through the middle of it. So middle is halfway in between the top and the bottom. So this is our general cosine curve. We have all the same properties as the sine curves. It starts as a maximum and minimum, and it has a middle. The only difference is this one doesn't start at the middle. It starts at the max, and it does 1 full rotation, which is a dip down, and it comes back. And this is what the cosine curve looks like. So I hope that helps, and that's it. Thank you. Bye.